Sicily. You can find me on Instagram at Classy Nails, and you can use my discount code Classy Nails. Today I'm going to show you how to do this Halloween nail look using Makartt Beach Babe and Flower Trial Gel Set.
Let's get started. First, buff your nail tips to reduce the shine and any oil residue. This will make your gel polish last so much longer. Apply your base coat, then use this Beach Body gel polish to apply on all the nails. Makartt's gel polish is so saturated you only need one coat for amazing color. Just look how gorgeous these turned out. Next, we will use Noir gel polish from Makartt to create the spider web. Use a nail liner brush for a super precise application. To create the pumpkin, we're going to use the Sandbar gel polish from the kit. Using the New Age gel polish, we will begin to draw a ghost coming out from the base of the pumpkin. This ghost is so cute. We will use the same color of gel polish to draw a simple fringe tip. Using the Noir gel polish, we're going to draw some lines around the white edges of the fringe tip. Guess what we're going to draw, guys? If you guessed a bat, you got it. Next, grab the shade Free Thinker and draw a large diagonal line across your thumb. Grab Noir and use your liner brush to draw some spooky fences. Finally, grab Gal Metal from Makartt's new glitter nail gel liners to add some sparkle. Apply a matte top coat and you're finished with this cute, spooky set. And here's the final look. Recreate this set and more on Makartt.com.
Thank you for watching this nail video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to grab your Halloween essentials at Makartt.com now.